Hey guys, welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Lisa. Thank you so much for being here. On this channel, we focus on luxury, fashion, beauty, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if you happen to like any of those things, love it if you would consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I happen to upload a video here. So today's video is going to be super casual. As you can see, I just have on this sweatsuit. I did put on a little bit of makeup for you guys so I wouldn't scare you. But anyway, I've been at home for actually quite a while, since the Sunday before last Sunday, just because unfortunately at my job there was a little bit of a COVID exposure, so they won't let me go back to work until this upcoming Friday. So I've just been hanging out, cleaning up my house. My house is going to be absolutely spotless. But luckily I've tested negative 3 times, so thank you for that. But anyway, let's get into this video. Honestly, wasn't really planning to do this video. However, on my Instagram stories, I showed a bag, and quite a few people have been asking me what was in the bag. And I honestly wasn't even going to do a video on this item because I really didn't think anyone would be interested in it. It's just a little item. And then the other item I'm going to share with you is actually a bag that, if you saw my closet tour video, I mentioned that I got a new bag. It still had some of the wrapping on it. So a lot of people have asked me to share with you what that bag was. And before we get started, I just want to thank each and every person who just happened to watch my closet tour video, just because I know it was a super long video and I really didn't want it to be that long. It just stressed me out to even edit it because I hated that it was so long. So if anybody just watched part of it or skipped through it, you know, I just figured you guys could watch whatever part you wanted to, skip through whatever, don't watch it, whatever. But anyway, thank you so much for watching it because I know it's a long video. But anyway, let's get into the first item, which happens to be this cute little bag that I picked up. I didn't even share it with you guys. I guess I was so excited just to get this little bag because it was such a great price. It is from Coach. I actually picked this up when I got Ken's replacement backpack that he had stolen. If you saw that little impromptu video of him unboxing his backpack. But anyway, so this is the bag. It is called the Coach Top Handle Twilly, or Twilly Top Handle rather, with linear quilting, and it was such a good price. I think it was like $125 on sale, and I just fell in love with the color. I literally don't have any bags this color. It's like this beautiful tan color, and I'm just kind of obsessed with this color right now, like this camel color. Let's open this, or take these things off of here. I took off most of the wrapping, but I left this part on, and like I said, I was just so excited just to get this bag that I totally started taking all the stuff off, and I forgot and didn't even think about you guys. Sorry, didn't think about sharing it with you guys. But anyway, so here we are now. Coach actually always wraps and packages their stuff so well. I think honestly more than any luxury brand. Like nobody has as much packing and wrapping and paper and protective everything on here. There's still stuff on here, and trust me, I took so much stuff out of here when I got the bag. Maybe I just got tired or something pulled me away that I didn't finish. But anyway, yeah, so this bag was only $125 on this sale. And there's another bag that I really wanted that Simply Aisha, she got it. If you watch her channel, I wanted that bag as well, but I'm like, Lisa, you don't need to get that one as well. because there's nothing open here. There's nowhere to go. You don't need all these bags, but this one was just so cute in the color that I don't have that I decided to get in. There's still more stuff in here. Okay. Wow. I'm telling you, Coach really packages their stuff extremely well. Okay. And then on this zipper pull is even wrapped. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, I think I mostly got everything now. But anyway, all right. So like I was saying, there's another bag called the Claire Crossbody that I really wanted. Also in this color, it's a little flatter bag, and it's just so cute and elegant. But oops, more wrapping. I just had to control myself because, you know, I don't need all that stuff in here. So I'm gonna cut off the tag. It says it was originally $550 and I got it for like $125. So I was like super happy. And now I have something in this color. And of course I dropped the strap. Okay, get it together, Lisa. So this is what we have here. This cute little top handle bag. It has a twist turn lock with these quilts on it. And I like the fact that it has a little top handle. Kind of cute. It has this little Coach tag on it. You can take that off. The hardware is a gold. But I like the color of the gold. It's not like a super shiny, tacky gold. It's like a soft, nice gold. And then it has these rings on the back where if you want to attach a strap, you can do that. It has this nice pocket on the back lined with like a oxblood colored lining. Here is the strap, so I'm gonna put that on. And it's an adjustable strap. I don't know any of the details, in-depth details, like how long the strap is or whatever. Like I said, it's adjustable. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes. And then a twist turn. And then you open it up, it has this gorgeous, gorgeous oxblood color micro fiber lining. So nice, so well made. You have this slip pocket here in the back. You have another open pocket there, a zippered pocket, and a front pocket. Zippered pocket just looks like that. And you open it and basically that's it. There's the bottom. It actually has feet on it and everything. So cute. Now I can start wearing it. That's the side. That Claire crossbody bag is so cute, so elegant. It's still kind of haunting me. But anyway, it's all sold out now, so that's good because I didn't need it. But anyway, that's my new bag. What do you guys think? This one has like the little Coach emblem on the side. So, yeah. Just sharing that really quickly with you guys. And I just think this is like the cutest little bag for whenever you want to wear it, actually. But I don't have anything in this color. I actually used to hate this color just because you guys know that brown is not my favorite color, so I kind of viewed camel, beige, tan as a light brown color. So I don't know, like I said, you guys know I'm weird about that, but I'm really obsessed with this color right now. The color camel, cognac, I don't know what's happening to me, guys, but anyway, she's cute. I'm happy. Now I can start wearing her. The next item came in this box from Louis Vuitton. Of course, it had the bag and it was all nicely wrapped and everything, but everybody's seen the Louis Vuitton bag and this box, and I've actually already started using it, so we're not even going to go through all that. But anyway, what was in the box is just this one little item, which is the Louis Vuitton agenda cover in Damier Graphite. Yes, this is from the men's line, but I love these colors. I just think it's sleek, elegant, and classy. So that's why I decided on this color. I wish they would make this in the monogram eclipse print. That would be so amazing. I would have totally gotten that one. But anyway, as you can see, my papers and planner and everything is in here already because I've been using it already. And I basically got this as this is going to be my new planner. I have this check in here I need to deposit. I'm taking on this new project, which is kind of stressful, and you guys know I don't have a lot of time, so don't ask me how I got in this position, but it's just something that's really weighing on my heart, and it's not really for me, it's for like some other people so that they can have a better life or a better living situation, because I don't know, nobody deserves to live like this, and it's crazy, and yeah, it's just something weighing on me, so I'm gonna try to take care of it. So anyway, yeah, so just pray for me, you guys, that that will be successful. If I can do that, that will make me so freaking happy. Like, it really will. You guys have no idea. But anyway, so I have this planner, and I'm just gonna take it out so you guys can see the inside. It just looks like that. Actually, I have it upside down. Help me. Louis Vuitton stamp here on the bottom. Has this nice big pocket right here where you can put cards or notes or papers or whatever you want to put there. Nice secretarial pocket right here that folds over. You can put other notes or whatever else you want to put there. Another slot here. You can put like another notebook or something like that. And then your planner basically goes here. It has 6 card slots there, so that's very handy, or you can put other things, cards or business cards, whatever. And this nice pocket here on the bottom for paper clips or decorations or whatever. And let's see, when you put it inside, this is just actually a temporary planner because my other one is coming, but that's dated for January, and I needed something now. So it's not fully set up, so that's why it's so messy. But anyway, so that's what it looks like inside. And we'll have to finish getting her all set up. Lisa, get your life together. So yeah, anyway. That's what she looks like at the moment. Love this little thing. It's going to be so handy for me. So anyway, guys, that's basically it. So if you have stayed till the end of this video, just want you guys to know that I will have a giveaway, something pretty exciting coming up. I wanted to do it for my favorite holiday, which is Thanksgiving, but unfortunately, that didn't work out. Just a bunch of craziness. So hopefully I will get the item this time, and we'll just have to do it as a Christmas giveaway. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are new here to my channel, welcome to my channel. I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family, so please consider subscribing. Have a great day, you guys, a great week, month, and a great holiday season, and a safe one. Thank you guys again for being here, and I will see you guys on my next video.